Drug discovery is the complex process of identifying new therapeutic compounds for the treatment of diseases and medical conditions. It combines expertise from chemistry, biology, pharmacology, medicine, and computational sciences to develop innovative medications that improve human health. The drug discovery process involves several key stages: target identification, lead discovery, lead optimization, preclinical testing, clinical trials, and regulatory approval. Each stage is crucial in refining and validating potential drug candidates. Target identification involves studying disease-associated genes and proteins to identify potential drug targets. Techniques such as genomics, proteomics, pathway analysis, and phenotypic screening are employed to pinpoint critical nodes for therapeutic intervention. Target validation confirms the role of identified targets in disease through genetic manipulation, animal models, tool compounds, and human genetics. This step ensures that the target is relevant and can be modulated for therapeutic effect. Hit discovery utilizes high-throughput screening, fragment screening, and virtual screening to identify compounds with desired activity against biological targets. These methods streamline the process of finding promising drug candidates. Lead identification involves confirming initial hits, exploring structure-activity relationships, and selecting compounds with desirable properties. This stage ensures that the leads show consistent activity and reasonable properties for further development. Lead optimization focuses on enhancing potency, improving selectivity, optimizing ADME properties, reducing toxicity, and thorough testing and analysis. This stage refines the lead compounds to ensure they are safe and effective. Preclinical studies include in vitro testing, in vivo studies, safety assessment, and mechanism studies. These tests provide initial safety and efficacy data, evaluate drug effects in living systems, and confirm how the drug works in biological systems. Pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics study how drugs are absorbed, distributed, metabolized, and excreted in the body. Understanding these processes is crucial for determining the drug's behavior and therapeutic potential. Toxicology studies assess drug safety through acute and chronic testing. They identify potential organ damage, genotoxicity, carcinogenicity, and reproductive risks, determining safe dosing ranges for human trials. Drug formulation and delivery methods include oral formulations, transdermal delivery, and injectable formulations. These methods ensure patient-friendly dosing, stable drug levels, and rapid action with high bioavailability. The investigational new drug (IND) application involves submitting non-clinical data, manufacturing information, clinical protocols, and investigator information. Regulatory experts prepare comprehensive documentation for review. Phase 1 clinical trials involve 20,100 healthy volunteers to establish safe dosing ranges. These initial human studies focus on safety, monitoring adverse events, and determining how the drug behaves in humans. Phase 2 clinical trials involve 100,500 participants with the target disease or condition. These trials assess effectiveness and continue safety monitoring, determining optimal dosing and common side effects. Phase 3 clinical trials involve thousands of patients across multiple sites. They definitively prove efficacy and monitor for rare side effects. Successful completion enables regulatory submission. The new drug application, NDA, includes clinical data, chemistry, preclinical data, labeling, and risk evaluation and mitigation strategy. This comprehensive application represents the culmination of years of research and development. The FDA review process involves initial filing review, scientific review, advisory committee evaluation, and final decision. This thorough review ensures the drug's safety, efficacy, and quality before approval. Post-market surveillance includes adverse event reporting, safety signal detection, and post-approval studies. These measures ensure ongoing monitoring of drug safety and effectiveness after it reaches the market. Drug discovery faces challenges such as high failure rates, rising costs, scientific complexity, and regulatory hurdles. These obstacles make developing new drugs a demanding and resource-intensive process. Emerging technologies are transforming drug discovery approaches. Innovations like advanced tools reduce animal testing and improve human relevance, enabling more precise target engagement and better predictive models. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are revolutionizing drug discovery. AI analyzes vast biological datasets to find disease-relevant proteins, while machine learning predicts binding affinity of compounds. Generative models create novel molecular structures, and AI improves patient selection and trial design. High-throughput screening accelerates drug discovery through miniaturization, automation, multiplexed readouts, and data management. Modern assays use nanoliter volumes, robotic systems handle compound testing, advanced detection systems capture multiple data points, and machine learning processes meaningful patterns. Structure-based drug design involves protein crystallography, molecular docking, and fragment-based design. Scientists determine protein structures at atomic resolution, computer simulations predict how compounds bind, and small molecular fragments are identified for drug targeting. The future of drug discovery includes precision medicine, AI-driven discovery, predictive toxicology, patient-derived models, and novel modalities. Technologies will enable creation of treatments tailored to individual patients, promising faster and more precise drug development. Drug discovery has a profound impact on healthcare, extending lifespan, improving quality of life, and advancing global health. Modern pharmaceuticals add decades to average life expectancy. Symptom management allows patients to maintain independence, and therapies for infectious diseases reach millions globally.